Continue to follow the latest in the fight against COVID. There's other viruses that are spreading, and doctors say we need to be cautious. On your side's Destiny McKeever takes a look at the latest norovirus cases. It's the bug that causes the stomach flu, and doctors call it very contagious.
There's no reason you should be in somebody's area like that. I'm just saying, in your personal space, I think that's the thing. And then just making sure that you take care of yourself.
Brittany Sanders says that's how she stays clear of any contagious virus. She says on top of worrying about COVID, she's also aware of other viruses.
It's a very highly contagious virus, so very little exposure can lead to disease in adults and children.
Dr. Letitia Jefferson is talking about norovirus. We've reported outbreaks on cruise ships. The latest outbreak tracked by the CDC was just last month linked to raw oysters. 13 states, including Florida, had an oyster recall after contaminated oysters from Canada made it to the U.S. Dr. Jefferson says the main norovirus symptoms to look for are diarrhea, vomiting, and fever. She says kids going to summer camps and back to school can easily spread the disease to one another.
Seems to be more of a year-round illness. There are certain times of the year where it seems to spike, where I think that when kids go back to school at the beginning of the year, we see spikes.
Norovirus lives on surfaces and can be spread from close contact with an infected person and food. Also drinks and contaminated by infected people. The CDC says norovirus causes about half the outbreaks of all food-related illness. Those we spoke with say they're paying attention but not worried.
I don't change the way I live. I do the same thing, just about every day, you know what I'm saying? In other words, I wouldn't try nothing different. I just try to stay healthy.
Destiny McKeever, First Coast News, on your side.